A belligerent is an individual, group, country, or other entity that acts in a hostile manner, such as engaging in combat. Belligerent comes from Latin, literally meaning one who wages war. Unlike the use of belligerent as an adjective to mean aggressive, its use as a noun does not necessarily imply that a belligerent country is an aggressor. In times of war, belligerent countries can be contrasted with neutral countries and non-belligerents. However, the application of the laws of war to neutral countries and the responsibilities of belligerents are not affected by any distinction between neutral countries, neutral powers or non-belligerents. A non-belligerent may nevertheless risk being considered a belligerent if it aids or supports a belligerent in a way prescribed by neutral countries. An interesting use of the term arose during the American Civil War, when the Confederate States of America, though not recognized as a sovereign state, was recognized as a belligerent power, and thus Confederate warships were given the same rights as Union warships in foreign ports. Belligerency is a term used in international law to indicate the status of two or more entities, generally sovereign states, being engaged in a war. Wars are often fought with one or both parties to a conflict invoking the right to self-defense under Article 51 of the United Nations Charter or under the auspices of a United Nations Security Council resolution. A state of belligerency may also exist between one or more sovereign states on one side, and rebel forces, if such rebel forces are recognized as belligerents. If there is a rebellion against a constituted authority and those taking part in the rebellion are not recognized as belligerents, then the rebellion is an insurgency. Once the status of belligerency is established between two or more states, their relations are determined and governed by the laws of war. See also, combatant status, co-belligerence, references.